also other paraphernalia from the FIFA Cup that we're gonna do tonight, and we're gonna see which one sounds better. Yeah, and I also have my own soccer ball. That thing has been used up, but I'm pretty excited to bring it to this ASMR video. So anyways, enjoy, relax, and hear the sweet sounds of soccer balls. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so first we're going with the FIFA World Cup soccer ball. Let's see how that sounds. Let's open this up. So this one has seen many battles. It has been around the block, but is still very trusty, very durable. I think it's been through 2 years now, and it's in the original size as well, the official size 5. And yeah, let's see how this one is. Now this one does need a little bit more air, but it still does the trick, doesn't it? Some other ones that I have, they're a little bit smaller, but they also do the trick, like this one. Here we go. This one I got during an event from Lowe's, so not a sponsor, but let's see how it sounds. That we got. Alright, here's another one. This one is a mini size. It's got the FIFA 2026 logo. Super cool. Very small. It sounds very good. Very also like durable. It sounds really good actually. Probably my favorite out of all of them. Also know in the comments if it's soccer or football. I like to know what you guys think of that. Okay, so now we got some mystery packages here. This one is Team USA. Bigger. Bag clip. It's a bag clip. Let's see what's in this one here. Let's open this up. How do I open this up? Here it is. Okay, here we go. this one is from, oh, Mexico. That's cool. Also, another bag clip. Let's see what's inside this one. Alright, so for this one, we've got